Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you searching for that special home in a upscale neighborhood? Well, if your answer is yes, the search ends here because we have found the perfect home with incredible bones. This house is located at Ebony Glades in Kingston 8. It comes with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and is well appointed on 2 levels with a bonus self-contained flat. It sits on approximately half acre of flat lush land, along with floor space of 4,500 square feet. This house was built in 1969 and is beautifully maintained. It comes with a double carport and additional parking space, spacious living room, TV room, sitting room, dining room for family meals, ceiling fans throughout, nice laid out kitchen, bedroom with AC units and fan, along with modern bathroom fixtures. There is also a nice patio overlooking the lawn. This area is perfect for morning coffee or relaxing in the afternoons. This house can be yours. Call today to reserve your private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.